A source tells HollywoodLife exclusively that Kim Kardashian is hurt by soon-to-be ex-husband Kanye West airing out their dirty laundry in his new album, Donda. Kanye West's long-awaited 10th studio album Donda arrived on August 29, and some lyrics in particular have caught the attention of listeners. In the track Hurricane, the rapper, 44, seemingly hinted that he cheated on his soon-to-be ex-wife Kim Kardashian at some point after they welcomed their first 2 children. The lyrics in question go, "Here I go acting too rich, here I go with a new chick, and I know what the truth is, still playing after 2 kids, it's a lot to digest when your life always movin'." In the wake of the album's debut, a source has revealed to HollywoodLife that the SKIMS founder, 40, does not appreciate her former partner's candor. Kim doesn't want Kanye to air out their dirty laundry, the source told HL. She is repeatedly getting hurt by his right to speech. The source added that the dirty laundry is bringing back memories of Kanye's abortion comments at his political rally last July. Amid his presidential bid last year, the rapper told the crowd that he and Kim had considered an abortion during her pregnancy with their eldest child, North, 8. The two also share St. 5, Chicago, 3, and Psalm 2, together. This is bringing back memories of when he talked about a possible abortion, our source continued. Kim finds it inappropriate in every way. It is a constant reminder she has no say in anything he does. Related gallery. Kim Kardashian's sexiest new single looks after Kanye West split. Elsewhere in Hurricane, Kanye also seemingly alludes to the mansion in suburban Los Angeles that he once resided in with Kim, which was featured in Architectural Digest last February. Architectural Digest, but I needed home improvement, he raps in a separate verse. $60 million home, never went home to it, genius gone clueless, it's a whole lot to risk. Kim filed for divorce from the rapper in February after nearly 7 years of marriage. The two wed in 2014 after 2 years of dating. A source told TMZ at the time that the decision to split was amicable, with the couple seeking joint custody of their 4 children. A source previously told HL that Kim wants to be at a good place with Kanye for the sake of their kids. She's willing to do anything to get them to the best place as possible for the sake of the kids, the source said. That's her primary concern.